Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm here once again with another very quick DIY. Today I'm going to share with you how to make a perfect gift to give for any celebratory event. We're going to make a money jar, you guys. My daughter just recently graduated and I wanted to make something cute for her. I wanted to give her some money, but I also wanted to display it in a very cute manner. And so I came up with this idea, I came across this idea on Pinterest, and I thought I would tweak it and make it to my liking and make it a little bit more of my own. So that is what I'm going to do today, you guys. And I gave it to her for her graduation. She graduated on Monday and she absolutely loved it. So these are the things that you're going to need. You're going to need some cardstock, a big mason jar. I got mine from Michael's craft store for $3. Some really thin ribbon. It was 50 cents. And I also got from Michael's craft store. And I went to the bank and I got I got $101 bills. However, I didn't put them all in the jar. I put as many as I could, and I put some around in the wall, and I gave the rest to her. But, excuse me, guys. But what I'm trying to do is mimic a diploma. So I take the $1 bill and I roll it up with the dollar sign bit on the outside, and I use a elastic band. Here I'm using a black elastic band. However, I would suggest you use a clear one if you can find them. I couldn't find them. I was strapped for time, so I just went on with what I had, which was the black elastic bands. And then you cut off a little piece of ribbon and you tie it around to make like the little diploma band when they put the little ribbon around the scroll on the diploma. Yeah, child. So that's what I'm trying to mimic here. So it's really cute. I really love the concept of it. And then I just make as many as I possibly can. I did some with the ribbon on there and some without the ribbon on there. And I'm just going to throw it in this little box here just to keep it, because I was trying to do this DIY and hide from her at the exact same time where she didn't know what was going on and she couldn't see what I was doing. And she wasn't at the home at the time and I didn't know if she was going to come in or not. But anyway, I successfully got it done without her even having a clue of what I was doing or that I was even making it. So anyway, you guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Like I said, it's very simple, easy. I just wanted to share it with you guys because I know that there are all other kind of celebratory events going on. People are still graduating. There's birthdays, and Father's Day is right around the corner. This will make a great Father's Day gift as well. You could just display your money any kind of way, or just put money in a jar. I don't know. Put their favorite candies in there or something like that. However, I just wanted to share it with you guys because it was very inexpensive and a cute way to display a monetary gift to someone. So, all right, you guys. I want you guys to also know that I know you noticed that I have not been doing that many uploads lately. It's only because I am doing a lot of work behind the scenes with my business. But I have not forgotten about you guys. I don't want you to think that I've forgotten about you. I love you guys so, so, so much. And I really do appreciate all your time and support that you show me when you do watch a video. So I have so many videos on my channel. And I have so many new subscribers. So if you have not yet taking a moment to go and look at some of the older DIYs and videos that I've done, like there's a ton of material and content on this channel. So I hope you guys can find something that will kind of help you get through this time while I'm having scheduling difficulties right now. But this won't always be this way. I will be back soon with more uploads once I get everything out of the way. You guys know I'm also expecting my first grandchild, so I'm also planning a baby shower. It's just so much, guys, going on. I have 4 kids' birthdays in June alone. And it's just a graduation that I just completed. I got 2 birthdays already down, got a couple more to do, and y'all just don't understand. But I do appreciate you guys for being patient with me and for sticking it out with me, because I love you guys so, 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 so much. So anyway, you guys, I'm gonna stop babbling. I'm gonna let you go ahead and watch this video and concentrate on it. Like I said, it's very easy and the video is self-explanatory. I'm just going to basically doll up that mason jar and roll up those dollar bills and put a little ribbon on certain ones and put it in there. And I'm going to use my Cricut machine to make the decals. For those of you who do not know, that I do own a vinyl cutting machine, and that is what I use. I don't show it in the video, but that is how I got those decals that you will see me use also in the video. And if you ever want to purchase any, just hit me up in my email and we could do some type of exchange. All right, you guys, I love you so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.